When I got my Silhouette Cameo machine, I never knew what great job this small machine could do. Do you feel the same way? Come over with me and I will show you how to create design using Silhouette Cameo 4 machine. Thanks for watching. I want to show you how to create design using Silhouette Studio. So today we are going to create a test. I'm using the basic edition. So for you to create your design, if you already have something created on your file, you can just open it up on your Silhouette design area by going to file, then you open and bring you bring your design to the work area. But if you just want to create a new design, you see, when you open Silhouette Studio already, it automatically opens the design area for you. So the first thing you do when you open your studio is for you to set up your page. So the page setup is this first icon on the right. So you click on it, then it brings your page setup. So you need to set the machine is Cameo 4, which is already set. If not, you click on this arrow to choose the right machine you are using. Then the cutting mat. The cutting mat for this is 12" by 12" that I'm using. But if you are using a bigger one, just make sure you select the size you are using on this cutting machine. Before you can use this Silhouette, you first need to download your software. So it is this software that will enable you to be able to open the studio on your computer when you connect your Cameo to your computer. So you go to the media size. You can choose custom. It depends on what you are designing. You see, 8 by 11 letter. This one mostly you use it when you are printing, because most printing papers, their size are 8.5 by 11". Anyway, the one we are using on this design is 12 by 12. So 12 by 12, and the height is also width is 12 and the height is 12. So what this means is that the vine you will use for your project cannot be more than 12 inches. It can be less than 12, but it can be more than 12. If not, a problem is going to occur. So you will see that anything outside 12, you see, it's outside this line. And whatever design should not be outside this line. So anything outside this line, your machine will not be able to cut it. So it's very important for you to choose the correct size of your mat and the correct size of the vine you are using. So let's go back to the normal. You can also use this arrow to, this arrow also brings you to adjust your size. So you can choose if it's the orientation. You can choose if it is a portrait or a landscape. Then the print and cut border. You see, if this is not checked, you need to check show cut border. When you check the show cut border, this brings this red line around it. This will show you that anything outside this line will not be cut. So it's good to turn it on. And this show print border, if you check it, it shows you how your image will be cut. So any image outside this line, outside this border, will not be cut. So it's very, very good for you to check your print and your cut border. If you don't need to print your design, you don't need this print, you may not check it, but you can just leave the two on. It doesn't matter. So it is on this page setup also that you have your registration mark. So if you are going to print your design, you need the registration mark on. It's off already, so when you turn it on, you have this around your page. You can set the length by using this arrow, maybe more, but it's better not to have the default setting. It will be better. Or if you want it smaller, you can just adjust to whatever size you want. And also the thickness is set it with this. So, and after setting your page for what you want to design, like I said, you can bring your design from file. That's if you already have your design saved on your computer. If not, like now I want to create a test, I'll just click on this A, then I'll bring this cursor, click it on my work area, then I will type. Click out. If you want to make any adjustment or to edit on this text you have written, you need to click on it to bring this box around it. So with this box, you can increase the size, you can reduce it, you can do all sorts of things to it. So for you to change the font of this, while it's highlighted, while this is selected, you can go to this icon on the right, which is the open the text style panel. With this, you can change the fonts. Let's see. Change fonts to whatever style you want. You have more fonts. So you just choose whichever style you want. So you also have the line spacing, But whenever you want to do any editing, whenever you want to change anything on your text, you need to select the text first. You also have the character spacing, which you can also adjust. You see, but the normal is 100%. So you can also use this to bring it to whichever percentage you want. So to change color of your text, you can either use this at the top to choose the line color, or you can use this icon at the right. You click on this, it brings the line, the color, the line color. That's how you choose the color for your line. So for you to change, to fill your text with color, you can use this and change it. So I hope you've enjoyed what I've been able to put together. Please like and subscribe to my channel and press the notification button so that you'll be the first to be notified when next I upload my video. Hope to see you again. Thank you very much.